Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 on a low-end PC. First, dive into the game's graphics settings. Set everything to its absolute minimum, including texture quality and detail levels. Crucially, lower your resolution scaling to around 75% or even 50% to gain significant frames per second. Also, turn off demanding features like mirrors, shadows, and reflections. Finally, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date for optimal performance. For even greater control, you can modify the game's configuration files. This allows you to tweak settings like texture quality and object detail beyond what the in-game menu offers, potentially boosting your frame rate by several points. Additionally, explore performance-enhancing mods from reputable communities. These can be game changers. Always remember to close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system memory and processing power. Maintaining your system is key. Make sure your operating system is fully updated, as these updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Regularly check for and install the latest graphics card drivers. New drivers can offer substantial performance gains, sometimes up to 10 or 15%. Also, verify the integrity of your game files through the game launcher to repair any corrupted data. If your physical RAM is limited, consider increasing your virtual memory. To further enhance your experience, try playing in windowed mode at a slightly lower resolution than your monitor's native setting. This can often provide a smoother frame rate. When planning routes, try to avoid extremely dense city areas or heavy traffic, as these can significantly impact performance. Opt for simpler truck and trailer models, as highly detailed ones require more rendering power. Ultimately, focus on the immersive trucking journey, even with visual compromises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.